Psalm 1. The root of resonance. Blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the way of sinners, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law doth he meditate day and night. And he shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water, that bringeth forth his fruit in his season. His leaf also shall not wither, and whatsoever he doeth shall prosper. The ungodly are not so, but are like the chaff which the wind driveth away. Therefore the ungodly shall not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. For the Lord knoweth the way of the righteous, but the way of the ungodly shall perish. Devotional meditation. This first psalm is the threshold of all sacred frequency. It divides the path of resonance from the path of dissonance. Here we are introduced to the archetype of the Blessed One who does not move through the world-absorbing chaos, but stands rooted in the divine blueprint. Meditation here is not silent brooding, but oral recitation, vibration, musing aloud. The psalm describes a soul who becomes like a tree, firmly planted by waters, a symbol of the Word and the Spirit flowing together. Saint Gertrude often saw souls as trees. The psalmist here shows us that immersion in God's law, His Torah, His frequency, aligns the body, soul, and spirit into harmony with heaven. Invocation of activation. O blessed and living Word, root me in your frequency. Let my heart delight in what is eternal. Cleanse me of worldly counsel and open the scroll of your law within me. By the prayers of Saint Anthony and Saint Gertrude, and by the light of Uriel, plant me near your holy waters. Let fruit arise in season, and may my leaf not wither. I praise you for drawing me into your path of light. Amen.